Hey guys, welcome back. So as you know, I just sit here and I answer all the questions that I get from real estate agents. That's so I can support you guys so you can have a better understanding of how to pivot the market and be more confident. You have any questions, you can always give me shoot me a question in the comment section below. But for now, Shireen, let's get on to the second question. Let's get on to a next question. There you go. Hit me.
Okay. Does talking to 100 neighbors around your open house actually get you listings?
What do you think, Serene? The answer is on that one.
I would think over time.
Yeah. So, you know what, guys? So, one of the things you have to master if you want to be a top agent is your open houses. Now, everybody does open houses differently. The ones that crush it, and I'll explain to you how they crush it in a second, they really go all out, all right? Now, what most agents do, Serene, is they have an open house. They will put their open house signs up about 2 hours before the open house. Then when the open house starts, usually around 2 o'clock, they'll just go to the house, open the door, sit down, wait for people to come inside. At 4 o'clock, they'll leave, and that's it. And they'll do that on a Saturday and a Sunday. Now, from my perspective, that's insanity.
What is so
it
insane
is crazy.
about it?
So is it a thing? Because I'm a conversion guy. So what I would do, I would have that open house, but I would go and invite 100 neighbors to my open house for the week leading up to that open house.
How, Sway?
Right? So what I would do, I will literally go on the door, knock on the door and say, hey, by the way, I'm selling X street. I'm X home down the street. We're going to be having an open house on Saturday, Sunday, and everybody has their own scripting. So we're not going over that today. But the idea is that I would go and invite the neighbors, 100 of them. I'd have 100 conversations all week leading up to the open house because I understand churn rate. Okay, the churn rate is in every single community, statistically, there is a turnover rate. X amount of homes sell every single year in that community. So I just go off of 4%, for example, right? But it's very conservative. So 4% of homes will sell in that community every year. So out of 100 people, statistically, 4 of them will be selling that year anyways.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like the seasons of life. You have fall, you have winter, you got or spring, whatever. You have summer. It's the same thing every year. So every year in every community, people get older, their kids move out, they downsize, they get pregnant, their house is too small. There's a circle of life in there. So you can pull up 4%, for example, in an area. So if you know that, you would just literally go and have conversations with 100 people, and you will come back with statistically usually about at least 4 people that are looking to also sell. So you will find business by just leveraging your listing. Now, when they come to the open house because they're actually thinking about selling and they want to know, what they can do to renovate their home to make it nicer, etc., you then meet them. Now they see how you're presenting that home. They see the quality, they see your customer service. They built an additional layer of relationship with you. And now you're having a conversation about selling another home down the street.
Right.
Now, if you do a great job on that listing and you break a record, now you've already spoken to other people on the street that have seen you. They've come to the open house. They've seen your success at it. And now when they want to sell, it's easier to convert that to a closing. One of the most annoying things and why I started this concept, right, is when I was a rookie realtor, and every realtor watching this knows this as well. I was a rookie real estate agent, and I look back at the end of the year and I saw that I sold a home on a street and like 9 more homes sold on that same street.
Oh, because they were piggybacking off of your sale.
But even so, I just saw at least 9 more homes on that same street sell. Yeah. And I'm thinking, that's crazy because clearly there's people that wanted to sell. So every realtor right now that sells 1 home on a street, I promise you, if they look back on that street at the end of the year, you will see another 5 or 6 or 8 homes selling. That's like clockwork. Yeah. So why can't that be your listing, right? Yeah. So I always say for you guys, 100% knocking the neighborhood around your open house, inviting people to come in is instrumental, I think, to helping you scale and grow your business. If you're not doing that right now, I highly recommend you add that to your arsenal and do not give up the opportunity to do it because it's an easy conversation at the door. Hey, I'm just inviting you over. When they come to the open house now, you can have a deeper conversation about, hey, looking to sell or whatnot, but it's a great started through a relationship, and statistically, it does work. All right. Hope that helps, guys. Is that clear, Serene?
It is.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
All right, boom. Okay, have a good one, guys. Later.